July 17th, 2019. We got some heavy thunderstorms and rain showers coming through today. So I'm dancing between the showers for this quick video, but I just wanted to demonstrate this. If you've got one of these Intex pools and you can't get this top air bladder to hold air anymore, you can see I've done many patches. Eventually they leak and you can't get them to stay fixed. I was getting fed up with it. I couldn't get it to hold air. I couldn't get the leaks to patch. So I went out and bought some pool noodles. I think you can see one of those there. And I slid them around inside the ring. I just cut a little slit on the outside bottom edge of the ring. And I slid them around inside there. I used a piece of PVC to go between the two so they wouldn't push past each other. And I just slid them around in here. And you can see them sticking out now as the flotation ring. And that's actually working. I found this inflatable bladder didn't have to be super inflated to do the job. It basically just has to float above the edge of the water a little bit. So I figured these pool noodles would work. It was like 30 bucks for 10 of these, which I thought was expensive for styrofoam, but I couldn't think of a better solution. And I thought it would work. I was a little nervous it might not work, but I had to try it because otherwise I don't have my 4,000 gallon backup reservoir. And I was not about to go out and spend another $200 on one of these darn pools, only to have it last, 2 years at the max with the inflation ring. The rest of the pool seems to be holding okay. It's much heavier material and it doesn't have to hold air. So I thought this was a good solution and it seems to be working. The ram pump is overflowing and filling it back up, and I'm excited that it's working. So hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network. Don't forget to like and subscribe if that's your thing. Thanks for watching.